This tutorial to add a 4-digit account PIN to lock our Roblox settings in mobile. This facility will protect our email, password and other privacy settings. Let's open Roblox in mobile. In mobile apps, there will be 3 dots icon in the lower right corner. Click on it for setting changes. Click on Settings and then Security tab. Security tab will show the lot of options, but we need to look the account PIN. Let's turn on the account PIN in Roblox. Please provide your 4-digit new PIN number. Remember it. Now saved it successfully in the Roblox database. Let's verify that our new PIN number for Roblox that is working properly or not. I will open the Roblox again and will go the setting page to look my personal information. Here I will try to update my date of birth. Roblox must ask for the PIN number to verify it before allowing to change my personal information. Oh great, Roblox is asking for my PIN number for verification. Let's provide it and change my personal information. Now this tutorial is end and we have seen how we can add PIN number in my Roblox account to maintain my privacy. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider to subscribe the channel. Please keep liking and commenting on videos. Thank you for watching.